AI Workshop. Objectives of activity to teach the new generation the power of AI technology. Goals is to expose the importance of AI in the industry, and the objectives is to create awareness and bigger job opportunity around the world. Our target user are particularly UTM students and graduates. There will be two excellent speakers, which is Dr. Mohammed Noor Asman Hassan, which is the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, and Mr. Navan Sinathambi from Malaysia Digital Economy Corporation SDN.BHD. Let's moving on to program activity schedule and financial statement. This program serves as a platform for students to join this workshop. It will be held on Saturday 19th of January 2024 at Sultan Iskandar Hall, UTM. How about financial statement? This is the budget for this program. The total cost for food and beverages, breakfast and lunch is room 1,600 to room 2,000. Next, the cost for technical supplies such as hall rental is room 3,500. Lastly, the cost for appreciation and gifts is room 500.
From the survey, 76.2% of students rate 10 to show their interest in joining this program.
Conclusion. What we will get from monitoring activities during implementation, track participant engagement, collect feedback, monitor progress on projects, evaluation activities after completion, conduct a post-workshop survey, evaluate the quality of the workshop content and delivery, evaluate the quality of the AI projects that participants build. Conclusion. What we will get from